actually tried out this particular website, and guess what? They pay in dollars. You can actually earn from $300 to $500 from this particular website. I love talking about this particular website. Let me show you exactly what they are actually doing on this particular website. Let's get into it. I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular website in the description box. So for you to get access to it, so let's talk about the writer's benefits or author's benefits of this particular website. If you've been watching my video on writer's website, you're going to notice that there are always two type of story, which is exclusive and non-exclusive. We're still going to be talking about the benefits, that is how much you're going to be earning once you sign up for this particular website. Now, once you click on home or about us, you're going to see that iStory is also one of the best reading app. You can read any genre of story you want to read on this particular app, and it's going to help you to know what type of story is being approved or they are going to approve on this particular app or website. So let's talk on how you can actually register on this particular website. You can actually download this on your Apple Store or your Play Store, and you can also register using your Gmail address and creating password, or you can just log in straight up with your Google account. To log in, you're going to get access to all of this. I mean, you're going to know about know our authors, like those authors that is writing on this particular hub, the type of story they want you to write. You'll be able to get access to read their books, bonus for authors. I'm still going to talk about that. And also, they always have contests to win at least like $5,000. They're going to give you a storyline like chasing back his runaway lover, dumping the eggs and shining, fate second embrace announcements, and so on and so forth. Just make sure to read more about this particular website before you submit your story with them. Okay, make sure you do your own findings about this particular website as well. Let's keep going. Now let's talk about the bonuses for authors or writers benefits. Okay. So I've said earlier we have two type of story on this particular app or website, exclusive and non-exclusive. Now let's talk about the bonuses you're going to be getting once you get a contract on exclusive or non-exclusive contract. Let's talk about exclusive writers bonus or authors benefits first. I like saying writers bonus. I mean benefits. I don't know why, but maybe because I use other web platform. So the signing bonus here is $50. You're going to be getting $50 for signing bonus, and then they have MAB bonus as well from they are 50, 100, and 150. So just and they're also going to pay you for completion bonus as well from 100, 150, 200. It's range. Okay, it depends on the type of story that you submit and how long the word count of that story and everything. I hope if you're not new to ghostwriting, what's it called, ghostwriting job or business, you're going to know that you are going to know about everything that has to do with word counts and everything. Okay, now non-exclusive contracts, you're going to be getting paid once the reader opinion on the particular app. It's not exclusive. It's just like you submitted a story and you were given non-exclusive contract. So as the reader are paying to read the story, the more money you're going to be earning, and also they're going to give you a 50% share. That is, instead of exclusive is 70%, while non-exclusive is 50%. Just make sure to go through about this particular website if it is non-exclusive that you really want, or if it's exclusive that you want on this particular app. Then you decide and know what type of or which websites you wish to work with. We have lecture logs. I've made a video with that. We have no what's it called, good novel. I've made a video with that as well. Just go through it and check it out, the one you have interest in. You can actually submit your story on all of these three, but once one of them give you contract first and then you delete it from the other websites, you get, like, so that you not put all your egg in one basket waiting for that particular website to approve the story. So if one of them already approved the story, delete it from the other websites or app. All right, guys, that will be all about this particular part of making money online, which is story writing. I hope this is helpful. Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video, share, And also drop a comment if it's just an emoji. It's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more viewers. Bye. Take care.